Friends, welcome to KPS Global Trades. We do price and momentum based technical analysis. Before we start this video, I just want to give a disclaimer that the charts or the stocks which we discuss in this video is just for the educational purpose and there is no trade recommendation as such on this. Before taking any trade, please discuss with your financial consultant. If you are first time on our YouTube channel or you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that you do not miss any future videos which we share for learn and our purpose. Our motive is people should watch these videos and learn the technical analysis and they start earning on their own and they do not rely on anyone else. So let's move on to today's video's topic. In today's videos, we are talking about some stocks, not one, not two, not three. We're looking for four stocks opportunities over here, which can give around 15 to 30% returns in coming few months. These stocks, some have already given a breakout and they are talk of the town, but some stocks are on a verge of breakout. They've not yet given a breakout. So once they also give a breakout, then everybody will be talking about that. So we are early discussing about that. We will discuss the chart, the levels. We'll discuss the reason why we see this stock is bullish as of now, and what we are looking forward on this stock. So before not delaying any further, let's start the discussion. Let's move on to chart. Our first stock which we're discussing over here is Ashoka Buildcon. Now, if you can see this chart, let me hide and have a blank chart for you. If you can see this chart, this is a daily chart. On 20th October, the stock has made high of 151 and it attempted thrice to break this level, right? Where it was on 16th November and then again on 12th December. But this time it has given a breakout on 9th of January and you can see the volumes are all time high. If I can go back and we have not seen this much volume in this stock. See this. The volumes are that high. So some big players have taken the positions on these charts. Although this stock was recommended on our Telegram channel, right, at a very lower levels. I can show you with that. This stock was recommended Ashoka Buildcoin. We've recommended this stock around 135. Right? This was recommended on our Telegram channel around 135. So we preempted it that breakout will come, and now breakout has come. Right? So now this is the position that it can consolidate little bit. It can retest a breakout level of 150, 155 before the next leg. So let's see what are the targets and what we are aiming for. Let's move on to the weekly chart for this. If you can see on a weekly chart, it's making a bullish flag pattern. Let's do it here. It's making a bullish flag pattern. See this, brilliant. So this has given a breakout, so we can expect it for the retesting. Let's go to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we can see this stock has a previous highest monthly closing around 189 levels, right? And lifetime high is around 196. So around 190 to 200 is something which can be the first target for this stock. Now, as we are opening the monthly chart, if I place a Fibonacci on a longer term chart, right? This was previous swing high. This was the lowest level. This is the retracement level of 125. The breakout has came, right? So we can see there is a resistance around 187 here, which is matching with the previous closing of 189. And then there is a golden ratio, which is around 227, right? So 227, 227.9. Okay. So 227.9. So by thoroughly analyzing this stock, let me remove this Fibonacci. We can came up with three targets from here also, which is around 189, 196 and 227. Now let's calculate the target based on a flag move. So the flag pole, the low is around 100.15 and the resistance is 150.95. So it's, sorry, low is around 100.15, and highest closing of this candle is 140.95, so which is around 40 odd points. So 40 odd points, if we add on 150.95, this also comes around 191. So 190, 195 will be a resistance, a strong resistance. But as of now, we can see from here that much is coming. So if we see even the current price of 160, 161, right, 190, 195 is around 35 points, which comes out to be around 20-22% return from here. And once it closes above 200, then we are looking for 227. So this is one chart which you're looking forward for. Now let's talk about another chart which has given a breakout, because the first chart which I come is a chart which has already given breakout. So Bank of India on Friday has moved around 6%, right? Yeah, it has given around 6.69%. And the breakout level was 120.9. So if you can see, this has given a breakout on 129.9. We keep it in mind, there is a result on 2nd February. So this can go, stock can go a little volatile before that. What will be the support now? Below 120, the support is 113.8. So approximately around 110. Right? Where this stock is heading, let's see the volumes. Yeah, volumes are higher. Let's go and see the weekly chart. Now, if you can see on the weekly chart, the stock has given a breakout before as well, but could not able to sustain and came back, and now it has given a breakout with higher volumes, right? So if I make this leg, this is one leg which I have, and there is another leg which was not broken. The stop loss is not triggered, so this is also into the play. This was retested, right? So it's back to back breakout has been given. So any retest close to 120, 122 will be a good entry level over here, right? And then what targets we are aiming for it. Okay. Before that, let's go to the monthly chart and see. Yeah. Now in our monthly chart, you can see this has given us a highest monthly closing since 2018. And next monthly highest closing is, this is something 186.8. So it has good momentum around 56 points. So around 56 points for a stock of 129 is a big target. So 56 on 129 is around 40%, 43%, right? But there will be resistance in between. So there will be journey in between as well. So let's calculate as per flag and then see. First, we're going to calculate as per the latest flag. So the latest flag closing is 96.8 and the flag candle closing is 112.55, which is around 15.75 on 120.9. So 136.65 is something which we are talking about here. 136.65. Okay, let's go to the previous flag. The previous flag was low was 73.6 and the breakout candle low was 109.2. So it's around 35.6 on 113.8, which is around 149.4. So this can be one target, 149.4. Okay, if we see, use the Fibonacci and then we see where it has moved. So on a Fibonacci level, the golden ratio is again coming at 130.75. So that is, so there are high chances that this stock can give a retracement back towards 120, 122 levels, which can be a good level for entry for a target of 136. This is almost there. So let's aim on 150 and then we aim on 186. This is what we should aim for this stock. So 150 to 186. So we are talking about say 12% and then around 40% of this. Now coming on to the third stock. This stocks is a latest listing and after listing it has given a massive rally. It was the talk of the town, right? It listed around 60 odd rupees on the first day, consolidated few days, and then touched a high of 123. Now, if you can see, this stock has given a good retracement from that level, right, which is close to around zero point 0.5. And now, if you can see, after this consolidation, there was a breakout which was around 107. So, if you can see, it was hovering around this level for a while, and then it has given a breakout. So, around from 1st of January, so 11 days it was hovering, and now it has given a breakout, right? So the first target becomes 123 from here, which is around 13 points, 110, so around 12%. And then we can see subsequent levels. So till that time, stock does not close below 92, we are bullish on the stock. And we are expecting it to break 123 and move ahead. Let's use a Fibonacci level over here and see which we are talking about. Yeah, so once 123 is broken, which is the first target, so 122, 120, 123, then we are aiming around 140 levels, which is a golden ratio, right? So these were our targets on this stock. Till the time it does not close below 92, say on a safer side of the 90 odd levels, the stock is in the bullish momentum, and we can see around 30 odd points from here, which are around 32% returns on that. Right, we have discussed three stocks. Ashoka Buildcon breakout is already done. Bank of India breakout is done. We are expecting it to retest. Erida, the breakout on the lower side is done, but the higher level breakout of is still pending. So it can rally till 123, and then we can take it forward from there. Another stock, which was once time was darling of the market, and then it gave a sharp fall, and then it went sideways. Now, if you can see this stock was sideways, and now it's giving a breakout. Let's go to the higher time frame. So this is the weekly chart. Stock has given it two attempts. I'll discuss the reason why I've chosen this stock above others. So it has given twice attempt of 127. So 4 September, 16th October. Normally, third attempt, normally, say more than 80%, third attempt, the resistance is broken. That's a past record. Okay. And the support, the previous support, it has not broken that support level on that. So if you can see this flag pattern, if you are looking for a breakout trade, I'm preempting this trade. You see, it has eventually given a breakout, but it has not closed above that. So if somebody who really want to understand this and want to have a safe trade, the 127, 128, the day it close above 128, that's your level to look forward. But somebody who can preempt it, the 100 is the stop loss, and there can be a good opportunity of 10 odd rupees from here, and then once it's breakout, it can be a further hands. If you can see this, this was some good level to aim for it. Okay, so the journey is big, but yes, there will be levels in between. Okay, so let's calculate this flag target. So we understand on the flag target what is this. So the low is 76.7 and high is 121.25. I'm taking these closing levels. So 44.55 on 127.6. So this also comes around 172. Okay, so 172, which is 172.15. Okay, this is there. So let's now use, if I use a Fibonacci, let me use a Fibonacci and try to find my resistance. Okay, 0.5 it has taken a support. So if it gives me a move, okay, there can be a resistance around 143 levels, which you can say a first target. And then we talk about 2.618 is around 160, 170. So that's fine. So let's remove this. So this stock, 127, 128, we have to see for a breakout. Then we have 143, right, which is another 12, 13% from there. And from here, it's 22%. And the final target is 170. So even if you talk about 127, 128, and 170, we are talking about here 42 points, which sums out to around 33% move from here. Okay. The reason for this stock, we're expecting it to break out. This is into online gaming, and we can see there was another stock of online gaming which has given a breakout on Friday, which was struggling. You can see from 4 September, and then it has given a breakout. So the way this has given a breakout, I am expecting on mobile also to give a breakout. This is also good stock to keep it on a watch. This can also give a good move on this. Eventually, we can add this stock as well. So while discussing, see, we are able to find out a good stock. So not four. Now we're talking about five stocks over here for you. Okay, let's give it from here. Okay, what are the previous closing levels? So we can find one resistance levels over here, 1094. So another 160 points, 18%, and then we have found over here 1256, and then the highest closing which we are talking about is 1563. Let's calculate the flag target. Flag target is 668.2 minus 876.5, 208 points on 929. So which is around 1137. So somewhere in between. This is 1137. So from 1100, 1090 odd to 1140 is the first resistance, and then we are talking about 1256, and if that is broken, then we are looking forward further for that. So these are the five stocks which we discussed today. Hope you liked this video. Right? If you have liked this video, please do share your comments. Please like this videos. Please press the like button. Please share your comments so that it motivate us to make more videos like this, more informative videos like this, right? And as I discussed, please join our Telegram channel. On Telegram channel, we share levels of stocks with their charts for learning purpose, which has given good move. You can see last year we've shared around 24 stock chart, which has given delivered around 45% return. And moreover on this, we keep sharing daily charts of Nifty, Bank Nifty with intraday levels, which helps someone to take a options trade or intraday trades if they want to do it. See, these charts are shared daily basis once market open in first 15 minutes, so which can guide you guys further how to move ahead. Also, if you would like our video the way we do it, we have a technical analysis course. You can go through these details. We go in detail with our technical analysis course with the mentorship for a year and guidance support for a year. We cover all the parameters, right? All the parameters on price action and as well as on momentum indicators so that you are able to trade on your own. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. Again, at the end, I would like to request if you're first time to our channel or you have not subscribed our channel, please do click the subscribe button and bell icon so you do not miss any future videos. Thank you. Bye bye.